Cloud seeding is a scientific technique of weather modification used to enhance rain or precipitation. It is primarily conducted to induce artificial rainfall in the targeted regions. Now let's understand the mechanism, how the cloud seeding works. First of all, clouds with sufficient moisture are identified. Then chemical substances are released into these clouds using aircrafts or rockets. In this cloud seeding, silver iodide, sodium chloride or salt or dry ice are injected into the clouds to stimulate droplet or ice crystal formation, which lead to precipitation in the form of rain or ice. These agents serve as an artificial condensation or ice nuclei, leading to larger droplets or crystals formation and finally fall as rain. There are two types of cloud seeding. First, hygroscopic seeding. Second, glaciogenic seeding. In hygroscopic seeding, salts are used in warm clouds to speed up water droplet formation. These salt particles help water droplets to stick together and grow bigger. In glaciogenic seeding, agents like silver iodide or dry ice are used in cold clouds to trigger ice formation, eventually leading to rainfall. Static and dynamic are two operational modes used in the cloud seeding, and they can use either hygroscopic or glaciogenic agents for seeding based on the cloud type and the goal. Now let's understand the application or benefits of cloud seeding. Cloud seeding can be useful in a wide range of purposes, including increase of rainfall, pollution control, and restoration of natural resources. This sophisticated method is being used in different parts of the world, including India. In India, states like Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu have used cloud seeding during droughts in the region. Moreover, countries such as China, USA, and UAE have been using cloud seeding for agricultural purposes, weather modification, and even to clear sky before big events. The cloud seeding can increase water supply in arid regions. As a result, it can help to increase rainfall in drought-prone regions. It can be used to enhance snowfall or snowpack in the mountain regions. That can make life sustainable in mountain regions. Cloud seeding can also be helpful to refill reservoirs and groundwater in water-scarce regions. It can reduce hail damages and suppress hailstorms by promoting smaller hailstones dramatically. It can be used to control air pollution or pollution management by using artificial rain and cooling temperature in the targeted areas. The cloud seeding also can be used to clear the fog at airports. However, the cloud seeding is not a guaranteed method as it is highly influenced by the factors such as wind speed, moisture in the clouds, and cloud type. The data from WMO indicate that cloud seeding can increase precipitation by 5 to 15% under specific conditions. These meteorological conditions can change the outcomes. Apart from that, it also comes with some challenges or limitations. Let's understand the challenges or limitations of cloud seeding. Cloud seeding doesn't guarantee success. It may be uncertain as it is completely relies on the presence of sufficient moisture and cloud type. It only provides a temporary solution and it can't replace or substitute natural precipitation or rain. Artificially altering weather can disrupt the natural rain cycle or weather pattern of the region. Cloud seeding is an expensive method and it requires high-end specialized equipment to perform the task. Finally, it can be said, cloud seeding is a marvelous scientific tool that provides reasonable powers to boost natural capacity of weather under favorable conditions. But it must be used responsibly without causing damages to the environment.